Wagamama. Our drinks have been served. We got a healthy smoothie review. It's called Kickstart, and that has kickstarted me into feeling. Ooh, that is good.
Nice.
9
What
point.
flavour is it?
Strawberry, but it's got something else in it that's getting me going. 9 out of 10. What if I did all three at once? Would I be a little crazy little guy? Better than I thought. I'm giving that a rainbow out of 10. Tea stained egg. Oh my god, it's cooked. Let me get another bite. That was not good enough, but down in 2. That was really good. 8. Prawns, rice, and everything nice. Boom shakalaka boom.
Sorry, I did a porky belch. Can you smell it?
I cannot smell your belch, but I can smell this food in my mouth and it's really tasty. 8.4 out of 10. 8.4 out of 10. Wagamama, thank you for letting me be here today. 10 out of 10 all round from me. Zestiness, 7 out of 10.